Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about a tool that is changing the way we deliver lessons. So let me introduce myself. I am Nika Portugal, the presenter for today. We all use PowerPoint, but sometimes it feels like a one-way street. We talk and students just listen. ClassPoint is here. ClassPoint is here to change that. It is an all-in-one teaching tool integrated directly into PowerPoint. Designed to supercharge your slides and turn your passive presentation into an active, engaging learning environment. It focuses on three core pillars to improve your teaching. First, it provides a live presentation toolkit to help you animate and manage your class in real time. Second, it allows you to create interactive quizzes where students respond directly from their devices. And third, it includes a gamified reward system to keep motivation high with stars, levels, and leaderboards. It is about taking everything an educator needs and putting it in one place. The best part about ClassPoint is that you don't have to learn a whole new software or switch between different tabs while you are teaching. As you can see here, ClassPoint lives right inside your PowerPoint ribbon as its own tab. You prepare your questions while you are designing your slides, and you run your activities while you are in slideshow mode. If you know how to use PowerPoint, you already know how to use ClassPoint. Take a look at this variety of features. On the top row, you see interactive activities like the word cloud and the short answer that every student involved. In the middle, we have presentation aids like the laser pointer, highlighter, and a whiteboard tool that lets you create a fresh drawing space instantly. Finally, on the bottom, we have management tools like a timer, a name picker for random calling, and a leaderboard to show off your top performers. All of these are available at a single click during your live presentation. Now, let's look at the live experience. When you are in the middle of a lecture, you need tools that help you explain concept more clearly. This toolkit provides the digital magic for your delivery. It moves beyond just clicking through slide and allows you to become a facilitator of a live, dynamic session. Once you enter PowerPoint presentation mode, a discrete toolbar appears at the bottom of your screen. This is your command center. From here, you can toggle between your standard navigation and a variety of annotation and teaching tools. Whether you need to switch to a laser spotlight, grab a pen, or launch a quick poll, everything is organized for a quick access so you never have to break eye contact with your students. ClassPoint makes annotating your slide effortless. You have access to a pen, highlighter, shapes, and text boxes to mark up your slide as you speak. Beyond just writing on your existing content, you can add unlimited whiteboards. This is perfect for when you need a blank canvas to illustrate complex ideas or build a spontaneous concept map based on student feedback. One of the most unique features in draggable objects, this allows you to take any text, image, or shape on your slide and move it around freely during your live slideshow. You enable this in edit mode, and it becomes a powerful way to host interactive activities like labeling a diagram or sorting items, even if your students don't have their own devices. Let's look at a practical example. Here we have a sorting activity for recycling. Using a draggable objects, you can invite a student to the front or to do it yourself, dragging the icons for bottles, boxes, and cans into the correct bin. This transforms a statistics slide into a hands-on learning experience that visually reinforces the lesson. Next is, to keep your lessons moving, we have the built-in timer and stopwatch. You can set a countdown for breakout sessions or group activities to improve students' focus and time management. You can even add music or alarm sounds to build excitement. It can run in a mini floating window so it stays visible without blocking your slide content. So how often do you need to look something up in a middle lesson? With the embedded browser, you can surf the web right inside PowerPoint. You can bookmark pages, open multiple tabs, search Google default, or insert web page as a slide. If you find a perfect image or data point, you can even insert the web page as a slide instantly to keep it as a part of your lessons. Next is the name picker. The name picker is the perfect way to make top recitations fun and fair. It encourages full participation by randomly selecting student names. You can use spin the wheel, flip emoji cards, auto-pick, or use emoji cards for a different field. It is a great tool to keep everyone on their toes and ensure no one is left out of the conversation. Next, we have also the whiteboard backgrounds. To make whiteboarding even more effective, you can use whiteboard backgrounds. Instead of a plain white screen, you can use readily available templates or build a library for your own. For instance, if you are teaching math, you can instantly pull up a grid or coordinate plane to graph equation precisely, providing the right visual canvas for every subject. So now, all of these tools make the lesson more dynamic. But how do we keep students motivated to participate over the long term? That's where our next pillar comes in, the gamified reward system. Let's explore how stars and leaderboards can turn your classroom into an arena of achievement. So gamified reward system, it is a major challenge in teaching. It's keeping every student motivated from the first line to the last. Class Point addresses this with an engineered gamified reward system. It works in three stages. First, you award stars to encourage participation. As students collect the stars, they level up and earn badges. Finally, to spark friendly competition, you can rank students by their stars and levels on a fun leaderboard. Organization is key to a smooth lesson. You can set up and manage multiple classes without leaving PowerPoint. You have the flexibility to create your own unique class codes. See multiple class lists for different periods and edit them as needed. For extra control, you can allow guest students lock a class once every has joined or even switch to a public class mode for open presentations. Next is adding a class in real time. Adding a class is straightforward. This visual shows you the teacher's view while preparing a lesson. Once your class is set up, students can join your session instantly. This ensures that the transition from a standard lecture to an interactive session is seamless and doesn't eat into your valuable teaching time. Next is my class presentation. During a live presentation, you can monitor your class through this dashboard. It allows you to engage students whether they have devices or not. From here, you can award stars to individual students for great answers or award stars to the entire class at once. You also have quick access to utilities like the name picker, quick polls to keep the momentum going. Okay, let's look closer at the star system. You can award stars manually via the My Class tab or automatically during an ongoing quiz activity. For example, if you ask who choose A or who choose letter A, you can instantly see which students selected that answer and award them a star with a single click. This immediate feedback is a powerful way to reinforce positive learning behaviors. Next is motivating through progressions. As a students, as students continue to participate, they earn their way through different levels. They collect stars to level up and unlock new colorful badges. As an educator, you have full control over this. You can customize the star requirements for each level by going into the settings and editing the gamification levels. So here in this tab, we can see that what students can see. So it is important to understand the student experience. Students join via ClassPoint app on their own device. They see the question you are currently presenting, like this multiple choice question on geography. Once they submitted their answer, they get a confirmation. And if they earn a star, it pops up right on their screen to provide that instant hit of dopamine and motivation. So the power of the leaderboard. Finally, we have the leaderboard. You can display this at any time to showcase the top performers. ClassPoints offers two models. The current class leaderboard, which shows ranking for just that specific session, and the total stars leaderboard, which tracks students' progress over the entire semester or year. This visual representation of success drives engagement and encourages every student to climb to the top of the podium. So engagement isn't just about stars, it's about feedback. Plus Points offers 8 different quiz types, including multiple choice, word cloud, short answer, slide drawing, image upload, fill in the blank, audio record, and video record. So let's have first the interactive quiz question. First, let's look how easy it is to start. Any slides you've already created can become an interactive quiz. So first, design your slide as you normally would. Second, simply add a question button from the class point ribbon. In this example, we have a slide about the solar system. With one click, your students can join in from their own devices. Next is multiple choice. The most familiar tool is the multiple choice question. This is your go-to for effective student assessment. It provides instant data. As a student click their answers, you will see a real-time bar chart showing exactly how many students choose A, B, C, or D. It is perfect for checking, for understanding before moving on to a new topic. Next is word cloud or gathering opinions. If you want to read the room or brainstorm, the word cloud is fantastic. It is great for icebreakers or feelings check-ins. The more students submit a specific word, the larger that word appears on the screen. As you can see here, it is a beautiful visual way to collect popular opinions or summarize a topic in a single word. So that is our word cloud. Next is short answer or open-ended thinking. When you need a bit more depth, we use short answer. This allows for open-ended responses while students can elaborate on concept or share facts. Their answer appear their answer appear as a small digital post-it notes on your screen. It ensures every single student has a voice, not just the ones who usually raise their hand. For visual learning, we have slide drawing. For our visual learners, we have slide drawing. You can send your actual slide to the student's device. They can then draw, animate, or circle specific parts of the image and send it back to you. In this math example, students are sketching graphs, giving you immediate feedback on their technical skills. So next we have for recall and literacy, we have fill in the blanks. So moving onto the fill in the blanks, unlike additional pen and paper test, this is dynamic. You can provide a phrase, sentence, or even a full paragraph with missing words. Students submit the missing keywords directly through their devices. It is a quick, automated way to check for vocabulary recall and reading comprehension. Next is for multimedia creativity or the image upload. Sometimes a picture is worth 1,000 words. With image upload, students can snap a photo of their handwritten work. Find an image that represents a concept. These visualize students' responses and make the lesson much more creative and memorable. Next is the student voice or the audio record. We also want to give room for the student voice, literally with audio record. Students can share their ideas through verbal communication. This is an incredible tool for language learning or for students who express themselves better through speaking than writing. So, so finally, in today's world, video sharing is considered as a king. The video upload feature allows students to submit live video or clips from their devices, whether it is a science experiment at home or a quick reflection video. This brings an element of a high-level entertainment and engagement into the classroom. So, in a conclusion, ClassPoint transforms the traditional PowerPoint presentation into a powerful interactive teaching experience. By seamlessly integrating live presentation tools, interactive quizzes, and a gamified reward system directly into PowerPoint, it empowers teachers to move beyond one-way instruction and actively involve every learner. From real-time annotations, draggable objects, and embedded browsing to diverse assessment tools and motivational pictures like stars, levels, and leaderboards. ClassPoint supports different learning styles while keeping students engaged, focused, and motivated. Ultimately, ClassPoint is not just a teaching tool. It is a complete classroom engagement solution that helps educators create a dynamic, inclusive, and meaningful learning experience where students don't just listen but actively participate and learn. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. Once again, I am Nika Portugal, the presenter for today.